compared to the previous class. Today's class is a very important class. How much important you can see also. This is one of the very important model problems. So in the today's class, we're gonna, uh, I will teach you that, we will learn that. In the previous class, we know that when they gave the SI and individual SI and CI, the problems related to simple interest and problems related to that compound interest, we saw that. Yes or no? And different model of questions, what type of formulas are there, how many ways they can ask the problem. So individually we found the solution. Now in this class, I'm gonna teach you that if the relation between SI and CI at one particular problem, there is a relation between SI and CI if they mention, then how to do the solve the problem. So most probably the questions are, there is a difference between, they will give that difference between simple interest, simple interest and compound interest. They will always mention that in this particular case, the difference between simple interest and compound interest. This type of problem, how to solve that, right? For solving of that problems, there are two methods are there. Actually, they will give the difference between simple interest and compound interest for 2 years and 3 years, 4 years like that. The most probably questions are covered in the difference between compound interest and CI interest for 2 years and 3 years. 2 years and 3 years. Here the formulas are based on that years. If the formulas are based on years, for the 2 years, they will mention that. When they mention that, the difference between compound interest and simple interest for the 2 years, you have to use this 2 years formula. When they mention that compound interest, the difference between compound CI and SI for the 3 years, then you have to use this formula. Okay, right? So, sorry.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్ ఒక్కసారి.
ఈ కేసులో పర్టికులర్ కేసులో మనకి ఏం చెప్తాడు అంటే, ఆయన ప్రీవియస్ కేసులో మనం సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇండివిజువల్ ఫార్ములాస్ చేసినాం, కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇండివిజువల్ చేసినాం. ఈ కేసులో ఏం చేస్తాడు అంటే కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కి సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్తాడు. ఆ డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది 2 years కని మెన్షన్ చేస్తాడు, ఆర్ 3 years కని మెన్షన్ చేస్తాడు. 2 years మెన్షన్ చేసినప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ రాసే ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేయాలి, 3 years కి మెన్షన్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ రాసే ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేయాలి, రైట్? నా క్లియరా? Yes, Siddharth, clear? Hello? Yes. Now, the formula for the 2 years, difference is equal to principal into R by 100 whole square. R by 100 whole square. This is the formula number 1 and important formula. Here, D stands for difference. Here, D stands for what? Difference. D stands for difference. And remaining terms, you know that. P is a principal and R is rate of interest. It is in percentage value. And this is the principal, and this is rate of interest. 100 is a numerical number and square is square. This is the first formula. The formula number 2, please mute your voice, everybody. Please mute your voice. Formula number 2, rate of interest is equal to 200 into difference by simple interest. By simple interest. Clear? These are the only 2 formulas for the difference between compound interest and simple interest. The only 2 formulas are, that is D is equal to principal into R by 100 whole square. So I hope you know that if you expand this part, then you, how can you write that? R square by 100 square, you can also write that. R square by 100 square. Now coming to in the second case, rate of interest is equal to 200 into difference by simple interest. When you have to use this formula and when you have to use the formula. See, here in the first formula, how many unknowns are there? Difference is 1, principal is 1, and rate of interest. అంటే మనం ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలి అంటే దీంట్లో ఈ 3లో ఏదైనా ఒక 2 అనేది ఆయన ఇచ్చి ఉండాలి. They have to mention out of these 3 2 known values, either DRP or PRR, any two they have to mention. Then the third one you can find. Now see that in the second condition, here in the first condition they not mention that simple interest value, but in the second condition simple interest they give and difference they will give, and you have to find rate of interest. Out of these 3 they will give any 2. You have to find third one. This is the case number 2. This is the second case. These are the only 2 formulas on difference between compound interest and simple interest for the 2 years. This word is very important. When they mention that 2 years, at that time you have to use these formulas, right? Then coming further, third year. In the third year, formula number 1, that is equal to difference is equal to principal into R by 100 whole square into 300 plus R, 300 plus R by 100. This is the only formula in 3 years. Now see here, difference is equal to P into R by 100 whole square. Up to here, same here also. If you observe, in the 2 years up to here, same P into R by 100. The extra term is what? 300 plus R by 100. 300 plus R by 100. Don't cancel these 2 zeros with these 2 zeros. The above numerator is a what? In addition operation. You can't do that. Okay. So I hope my students are good in calculations. Okay. The properties of the calculation operations are you are known. I hope you are the good. So these are the only 3 formulas, guys. If you know these 3 formulas, you can enjoy the problems. So how to solve the problems means that when the problems related to that 2 years, when the problems are 2 years, at that time you just write these 2 formulas by the side and write what data they gave that, and whatever they mention the data is related to the formula number 1 or formula number 2. You have to check it that. Then which one is again possible, that formula you can apply, right? Up to here, anybody have any doubts? Up to here, anybody have any doubts? Yes, please respond, Nana. Hello.
No, sir.
Yeah, did you understood the formulas? Hello guys, are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you copy the formulas first? Please copy the formulas. Yeah, completed. Shall I move?
Sir, explain once more.
Sir, explain again.
Explain again. Okay, good. Now see here, Nana, they will give the formulas, the difference between compound interest and simple interest related type of questions. In this particular question, they will give that what? For 2 years and 3 years type questions. And 2 years and mention chesinapudu we have to write these 2 formulas. The formulas is difference between 2 years, that is difference. Compound interest and simple interest difference is equal to D. right? The D is equal to principal into R by 100 whole square. And second formula is for the 2 years, R is equal to 200 into D by simple interest. These are the two formulas. And for the 3 years, if they are mentioned that the difference between compound interest and simple interest is somewhat, and this is for the 3 years, they will mention. For the 3 years, when they mention the 3 years, you have to write this formula. You have to apply, this is the formula. Difference is equal to simple interest minus compound interest, or vice versa, is equal to P into R by 100 whole square into 300 plus R by 100. This is the only 3 formulas in the entire difference between these simple interest and compound interest type of questions. Now I will teach you that a simple problem. Here they will mention that difference between compound interest and simple interest is equal to how much they gave? 19.60 rupees. They mentioned that how much? The difference between compound interest and simple interest is equal to how much, Nana? 19.60 rupees. And they mentioned already principal is equal to 1960 rupees. 1960 rupees. And this is time for the 2 years. Time for what? 2 years. And they are asking that rate of interest is equal to how much? They are asking that what? Rate of interest is equal to how much? Now concentrate here how I am solving the problem. Here look at on me. I know that the formulas repeated on when they mention the 2 years. When they mention 2 years, the difference here, this is the what difference now. The problem is related to compound interest, simple interest difference. That too for how many years? 2 years. I know the formula. Formula number 1 is equal to D is equal to P into R by 100 whole square. R by 100 whole square, right? This is that formula number 1. And formula number 2. What is the formula? R is equal to 200 into difference by simple interest. Now, which formula is applicable here? Let's check that. Here P value is there. In this formula, P value, D value is known value, R value you have to find. This formula is applicable. Now go for this. R value you have to find, okay, and difference value we knows that, but simple interest value, do you know? Do you know simple interest value? They mentioned there anywhere? They not mentioned that simple interest value. So in this particular problem, this formula is not applicable. Just go for this formula. Now substitute the values. Here 19.60 is equal to principal is how much? 1960. R value you have to find. Can I write this is equal to R square by 100 square means? Can I write 10,000, 2 zeros extra? Then after that cancel it, these two cancel. Then after that next is what? Anything happened? Nothing is there. Now can I, this is the what in denominator and this is the numerator. Can I write initial is 19.60 is equal to 196 by 1000 into R square. Yes or no? Yes. Now here how many numbers are there? After point right side only one digit, 0 you can consider or not consider, that doesn't matter, only one. Can I write 196 by 10 here to avoid the point? Then is equal to here is how much? 196 by 100 by 1000 into R. Yes. And then see here cancellation. That paper is gonna. Hello guys, can you hear my voice? Hello.
It's tracking, sir.
It's tracking.
Sir, your voice is stuck.
Hello. Hello, students.
Sir.
ఇప్పుడు వినబడుతుందమ్మా? Now is it clear?
No, sir. Somewhat distracting.
Yeah, don't worry about that. I will send the video also. After completion of that, you can watch video also. No problem. That the continuation of the calculation is, I'm writing here. One 196/10 is equal to 196/1000 into r square. 196 cancel, 0 here cancel. Now from this, can I write r square is equal to 100? R square is equal to
Sir,
100.
we can't see video, sir.
You can't
Sir,
see.
screen not looking, sir.
Not looking up. Yeah, now the clear.
No, sir, we can't see the screen.
Now you can't see screen, huh?
Sir, we cannot see the screen.
Sir, video.
Yes, sir, can't see.
Okay. Now can you see the screen?
No, sir.
No, huh?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, just wait few minutes and I will prepare the video and I will send you that. In 5 minutes.